welcome back to my channel Pallavi Home Creation. Today I will share with you a Simit haul. This is my Simit box I have received from Simit, guys. And let's know what is a Simit app, guys. Simit is an app where we get two sections. First section as a trial section and second section as a shop section. In the trial section, you will get a 6 trial point to try a free sample product in just 199 rupees. How the trial point work? You will get 6 trial point on your first sign up, which can be used to discover amazing new trial. Every product has associate trial point between 1 to 6. The higher the trial point, the discover would be even better and bigger. All the available trial point to your card in the single order and complete checkouts to maximize your wallet cashback benefit. Shop using wallet balance to unlock 6 trial points. And as I have bought this product as a 1 trial point, you will just need 1 trial point sample size product, and then you buy from the shop section a full size product. Today I will share with you a branded product as a Mamaearth and Plum. These are very famous product here, and guys, these products are very popular now in India. When you add 6 trial product in your shopping bag and then you click to proceed to pay, there is showing 2 options, whereas the one option you will get 169 rupees is credited to your Simit wallet, and automatically when you shop from shop section you will get 169 rupees discount on it, and it will be expired in just 30 days only. You will get in the second option, you will get convert 169 cashback to unlock 6 trial point, and you will available to try more product on that, and it validity is lifetime. Let's start the video. In this Simit box I have buy a 6 product and 1 as a free product, guys. I will show with you. But guys, I will tell you I have my refer code. You can use this refer code to buy a product and you will get a huge discount, or you will get a free sample from there using my coupon code. I will give the coupon code on the description box, plus I will give in the screen. Let's see the first product. Oh guys, this is my all the products come in this bubble packaging. Our first product is the Mamaearth Thumb Paste Face Mask with saffron, turmeric and acrylic oil for brightening skin. This is sample size product, guys, and it do not have paraben, silicone free, dermatologist tested with bioactivity, and its net ml is 25 gram and its MRP is 99 rupees, guys. And you know that the Mamaearth product is very famous now in India, so I have buy this product. From inside I will show you. This is the packaging, guys. This is come in this tube form. We know that a Mamaearth product come in this big container, but I have bought this sample size and I have also used this product. It is amazing, guys. Its smell is amazing, and also buy a full size product and share with you a review. If you want this product review, then let me know in the comment section. This is the outer packaging, this is the inner packaging, and it is so cute and it is travel friendly also. Let know our second product is our Mamaearth Uttam face wash with saffron and turmeric for tan removal. This also dermatologist tested and paraben, silicone free. Net ml is 25 ml and MRP is 99 rupees, guys. These both products are from Mamaearth. I have buy this product, and if you get this product on Simit app, let's try it. If you do not try a Mamaearth product for the first time, I have tried this product from the first time, and both are amazing. These products are really amazing, and its smell is also amazing. So our next product is this cute spray bottle. See guys, it is a gentle sunscreen spray with SPF 30, dual protection, UVA. It is all skin type, guys. See, this is come in this cute spray packaging, and it is very travel friendly. We want only a sunscreen in this spray form because I do not like a tube form sunscreen, guys. I really like this product. It is so cute and travel friendly. Our fourth product is, this is a plum green tea pure cleansing face wash. This is a cute. See, and its MRP is 99 rupees and its net ml is 10 ml, right? And it's from this cute green and it is amazing smell, guys. It's really very cute and travel friendly. I have also bought this too. It is a second plum renewing clarity night gel. It is also a night gel, guys. Its smell is really so amazing. I will really want to try this full-size product because its smell is very amazing. And its MRP is, guys, 75 rupees, 175 rupees, and its net ml is 50 ml, 15 ml. It's come in this cute water tube container. And our last product is also from Plum. It is a Plum green tea alcohol free toner, and its smell is also amazing. And its MRP is 149 rupees and net ml is 50 ml. This is so cute, guys. And these two products also nice, and it is very beautiful to see, and it is travel friendly. Where you want to take this product, you will take it for travel friendly. And our last product is a free from Simit. This all product I have buy from Simit, and then I got this free product. It is a container on with a marshmallow day cream. This is, and its net ml is 50 ml and MRP is 995, but I have bought this product as a free. So let's see what is inside. This come in this cute tip form, and guys, its smell is amazing. If you got this product on Simit app, let's try it. I will recommend you because it is so amazing and its smell is amazing. But I do not try this product how it is, but I like the smell, and it also have a vitamin E, cream base, aroma, and I really like the ingredient, guys. So let's see. And it is made in India. There is giving a logo in there. It is made in India product, guys, and I really like it. This all the product I have buy from Mamaearth Simit app, and all products are amazing. And if you like this video, then do not forget to like, share with your friends and family. And if you are new on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon. These products guys, all are my favorite products. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.